How to cancel the CapCut subscription on iPhone. Let's get started. Launch your settings. At the very top, you'll find your Apple ID. Click on it. Now, head towards the option of subscriptions. With that, you will land to the subscription page. Now, in this page, you will be able to find different sections as active and inactive. Under active subscription, you will be able to find the option of CapCut. Go ahead and click on that option. Once you open it, you will find the option of cancel subscription. Click on that option. With that, you will get the pop-up confirm cancellation. Click on the option of confirm. And with that, you have just cancelled subscription for your CapCut account. Now you won't be charged anymore. And the great thing is you can carry on using the app until the subscription date was originally due. Also, deleting the CapCut app or CapCut account will not cancel your subscription, and subscriptions renew automatically unless you cancel your subscription manually on your own. So this way you can easily cancel the CapCut subscription on iPhone. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.